gonna head to the pumpkin patch today. So it's Phoenix's first time visiting the pumpkin patch. I was last there when I was pregnant with him, so this is gonna be a really special day, I think, for us.
1, 2, 3, listen.
Yay! Off to the pumpkin patch! Off to the pumpkin patch! So Ross is at work right now, so it's just gonna be me and Phoenix and my good friend from work. We made it safely. Car rides usually, if he's tired, it will put him to sleep, so he was a little bit on the sleepy side. He's still awake right now, so hopefully he'll stay awake for our little pumpkin patch excursion. I really hope he isn't grumpy. I want him to see the animals. They have like a little baby petting zoo here, so it's going to be super fun, I think, for him, because the last time I was here I was preggo, and now he's 9 months, so I think he'll be able to enjoy some of the animals. He loves our dog, so hopefully he will enjoy some of these little baby animals that they have here. Hey, so I'm meeting up with my friend Jasmine and her baby. Hi! Marcelo, say hi! Say hi, Marcelo! Hi, hi, hi! Aww. So on a Monday before 2, it is $11.95, I believe. So just about 12 bucks. Right here. There it is. When you get older, we'll do the haunted house. There's a corn maze. we go. It's our first visit to the pumpkin patch. Phoenix is more interested in seeing Marcello than the pumpkins. Pumpkins for days, pumpkins for days. What you guys doing? You two are terribly adorable.
I'm Marcello.
Yeah. You guys. Oh.
Hi. Is that pumpkin good?
My first pumpkin.
Awesome. I wish somebody would let me just sit around or push me around. My legs are tired already this morning.
Uh-oh. Say you need to get a break soon.
Yeah.
Gotcha. What are you doing? Is that good? Is that good? Yeah. What you got? What you got? Is that your first pumpkin? Oh my god! That looks delicious. There's a little bakery here with apple cider. I want to try one of their donuts. See you later. We're getting out of here. Oh, can I come in? Thank you. Off we go. Just a little bumpy ride to the car put this guy out. He is out for the count and he stayed awake through the whole adventure at the pumpkin patch. Okay, we made it home and I want to say that today was a successful day going to Dell'Osso. We got there right when it opened, so it opens at 10. We got there a little bit after, maybe like 10:30, and we spent a good 2 hours there. I'd say if you have babies that, or toddlers, or kids that are not as small as me and Jasmine's kids. Her baby's just about 1 and mine, Phoenix, is 9 months. You guys will probably spend a lot more time there. There's so much to do there. It's a great family place to be. There was like tons of stuff for kids that walk, things that they can climb on. There was, this year there wasn't a petting zoo, so I was pretty bummed out about that. There was an observation area that you can see all the animals, which was cool still. I took Phoenix out and I pointed out a few animals because, like I said, he loves to look at animals. He loves my cat, he loves my dog, and I think he was interested in seeing some of those animals that they had there. They had horses, they had ponies, and if your child is old enough, they can go on the pony ride, which is super cool, and I can't wait for him to be old enough to do that. We had so much fun in the pumpkin patch. Oh my god, my heart was melting. It was just all orange, and oh my god, I just love this time of the year. The weather was perfect. It wasn't too hot. It's just started getting a little bit warm when we left, but yeah, we went super early. It wasn't too crowded, and this place can get crowded, and it is a Monday today, so yeah, just get out there early if you want to beat the crowds. he seemed to do really, really well. Like I said, when I arrived there, I thought he was gonna like either fall asleep in the stroller or he was gonna be grumpy, but he was not any of those things, and he, I think, had a really good time. And by the time I got to the car, because it was like a gravel road where you park, there was a little bit of a shake and a bump, so that put him right to sleep. So he's still actually sleeping in the back. You can see him. He's right there. He's sleeping in the little car seat. But yeah, hopefully he stays asleep and gets a good nap in for the rest of the day. It was super affordable to get in, so if you guys are local, I suggest coming and check this place out. This is my second time going and I was not disappointed. So I had a really good time, and hopefully someday in the future when I have maybe one more kid and they're old enough, they can go there and play together and just wear each other out. I think that would be super awesome. But it's definitely a great place to bring your kid if you want them to expend some of their energy. There are so many things there that they can see and do and play. I think it's a really cool place to be. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up because it would super support our channel, and consider subscribing. Thanks so much. Have a good day, guys. Bye.